My daughter absolutely loves Greek potatoes, so I wanted to make a version that had all those same bright lemon and garlic flavors, but with crispy Hasselback edges. And apparently it worked because she came home from school, found these on the counter, and immediately decided they made an excellent snack. These lemon garlic Hasselback fingerling potatoes are crispy around the edges, creamy in the center, and packed with lemon, garlic, and fresh thyme. We're going to start with about a pound, pound and a half of fingerling potatoes, and I placed 2 squared chopsticks on either side of the potato. The chopsticks act as a guide so your knife can make thin slices without cutting all the way through. Take your time with this part. You want those slices nice and close together, but you need the bottom of the potato to stay intact. And you can see all those little cuts open up, but the potato is still connected at the bottom. That's what gives us those crispy edges while the center stays creamy and tender. For the lemon garlic oil, we're going to start with the base of some olive oil and then zest an entire lemon into the oil. After the lemon is zested, go ahead and grate 3 cloves of garlic in, add some fresh thyme, lemon juice, salt, and black pepper, and give everything a good whisk. It's a really simple combination, but it gives you that same bright garlicky flavor we love with Greek lemon potatoes. And then rather than brushing the lemon garlic oil over the potatoes, I ended up picking each one up and held it over the bowl, and I spooned the seasoned oil right over the top while I gently fanned the potatoes open like an accordion. It takes a little extra time, but I found this worked so much better than trying to brush it over the top. A lot of it just ended up running down the sides, and I wanted all that lemon garlic thyme flavor inside the cuts where it's going to soak into the potato as it roasts. And we're going to roast the potatoes until they are golden and crispy around the edges and tender in the center, and about halfway through, give them another light brushing with the lemon oil. These turned out so good. They're crispy and golden on the outside, creamy in the middle, and those little Hasselback cuts hold onto all that lemon and garlic flavor. Finish them with a general sprinkle of flaky sea salt while they're still warm. And apparently my daughter agrees with me. When she came from home from school and ate these as a snack, the first thing she asked was, "Are these easier to make?" Which apparently was her way of asking if I could make them more often. So I think they've officially earned a spot in the regular rotation. If you enjoyed cooking with me today, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next recipe.